can write manually, really. Yeah. Okay. So here only one Salsa and who is absent? Salsa and one more, boys or girl? Boys or girl? Girl. We are going to analyze some lesson plan, yeah, some existing lesson plan, and after this, you try to compare them, and you will find what is the characteristic of a good lesson plan. That's why you will design for your own lesson plan. But in designing lesson plan, this is not only design a plan, but it should be covered with material and also worksheet, yeah, worksheet and also material. So we call usually by teaching module. Objective 3, yeah, this is our objective. That after this meeting, we hope that you can analyze the existing lesson plan and you can download Inspire after this. Then after you analyze the two lesson plans, you will find the characteristic of this lesson plan and trying to find the weakness and strength for these two lesson plans. And then you design lesson plan covering for creating didactic situation for students, predicting students or pupil response and interaction, and giving teacher guide for existing situation. And also, we hope that you can design student worksheet. Do you have your favorite teacher? Yes. Okay. Why it become your favorite teacher? Yes, good. And why? Yeah.
Because it is kind.
Kind.
Fun learning in class.
Fun learning, okay, because the teacher is kind and creating fun learning in the class, so you feel not boring with that. That's why you make him or her become favorite teacher. This no child left behind. As I have said to you that when you are teacher, so do not make one child left behind. Jadi jangan pernah meninggalkan satu siswa pun di kelas dengan diam. Itu tandanya guru yang baik. Biar semuanya dapat perhatian. Kenapa? Because tidak ada anak yang bodoh. Yang adanya karena belum menemukan guru yang tepat. Jadi sebenarnya when you say the student, oh my God, the student is not, I cannot teach the student now. Jadi tidak ada, kalau menjadi guru itu jadikan pedoman bahwa di sekelas itu tidak ada siswa yang nggak pintar. Tetapi kalau nggak pintar berarti dia belum menemukan guru yang tepat. Berarti Anda belum tepat. Nah, so you should learn more. You can what is? I give you a card. Please try to make conversation with your friends, yeah, in pair. So find your pair. Yeah, it's okay. Your pair. Where is your pair? Now, okay. You can choose one off. You can move here. Hello. Now move closer to your pair. Okay. Now I will give you this card. So you can ask this question to your friend. And after you can combine, you can make it, you can develop it, not only this, but your time is only 5 minutes, yeah? Both of you. Means that for one of you, you have 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then you should make a turn for others. Is it okay? Do you understand? Yes, okay. Look at this, for that one. The students, yeah, only seem keep silent while others, yeah, interacting with others, doing their work well. They are collaborating. But only one student just sit and do nothing. So Mari, what is your prediction?
Maybe he didn't understand.
Didn't understand. Oh, she didn't understand the material. So just sit and silent. Okay. Others. Tidak nyaman, feel that uncomfortable, ya. Feel uncomfortable with the group, maybe. Okay. Others. Yeah, points.
The teacher did not match the girl with the right personality group.
Okay, because the girls feel uncomfortable because he feel that members of the group katanya belum match gitu doesn't match. Okay, it can be. Nah, this is a prediction. And all your answer is right. It can be. For the example, when others for the last and for that girl with the red field, really when we see others, when we see their friends, it seems that all they work, they work in a group. They are collaborating and do their work. Means that the teacher give good, minimally good activity. So it seems that there is interaction and collaboration in group. But these students only silent. It can be because she feel that it is not comfortable. So what is the solution when your prediction is the girl is not really feel comfortable with others member of group? What is the solution? Change member. For the first picture, the boss is sleeping. What is the cause? Oh, it can be because the activities in teaching learning process is not really interesting or it's not fun. It can be. As a teacher, what should you do? Make it fun. Pasti jawabannya. So how to make it fun?
Class active.
Make class active. How to make class active?
Group discussion maybe.
Okay. Making a group discussion. Others.
Giving ice breaking.
Giving ice breaking. It's okay. What else? Good.
Quiz.
Pardon?
Quiz.
Ya, giving quizzes ya. Belum sudah dikasih quiz. What else?
Giving the games.
Giving games boleh. Ya. And unit media, ya kan? Unit media in teaching learning process ya. How to make it interesting? One of them is using interesting media. Do you think that interesting media is always such kind of technology? It can be, but it depends on the characteristic of the class itself ya. Okay. Now, read carefully. Okay, wait a minute. Pay attention please ya. Pay attention what you do. Read carefully and discuss in group. And then analyze those RPP or lesson design. And then download student worksheet in Spada. Student worksheetnya in Spada. Jadi ini ada example of lesson plan first and second. Then there is worksheet. You can download there. Complete the table in student worksheet and present your result in discussion. That's what should be do. Okay. Now make a group consist of 4. Okay. Now let's see. Please download the example of lesson plan 1 and 2 in Spada. Then read and analyze them in your group. Compare them by completing the table.
Berarti aman.
Now this one, you can download in Spada. This is example of lesson plan 1 and example of lesson plan 2. Then analyze it. Yeah. After you analyze, there will be student worksheet because after you read and analyze, you should fill the student worksheet. LK-nya, ayo, come on. For number 68.
then for lesson plan 2, in when class start, the students datang online.
Okay. Teacher asks the students to do things to do independently in a group. Yeah, means that this is creating or encouraging students to have independent character, independent learning. The teacher do not explain directly, but the teacher asks them to analyze first. Yeah. Enough?
Oh, yeah. And then for lesson plan 2, the students put the teacher gives students PPT tadi and watching YouTube. After that, collaboration.
Okay, using collaboration. So the teacher give instruction to student to watch the video in YouTube. Means that this is independent learning because the student will try to find the link, yeah, by itself and watching. Yeah. Okay. Next.
And number 17, effective materials. For lesson plan, I think it's effective because using YouTube, using media technology, and after that this is in the PDF. Mention the material, and I think
Okay.
For assessment, there is assessment in lesson plan 1. Ada penilaian pengetahuan, keterampilan, dan sikap materi.
Okay.
and for lesson plan 2, same with lesson plan 2.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have the same or maybe different? Different? Oh no, the same. Is there any different with this group? Right. Okay. Thank you, Mbak. Topic. Subject is markup. Then this is standard, yeah. Standard competence. Of course, both of these two lesson plan have mentioned of standard competence. Then it is also mentioned with the objective. Look at this. Yeah, this is one. This objective. Yeah, objective of study, objective of learning. And also it has been also mentioning with some media here using PowerPoint, video. Nah, so it can be concluded that this is using technology, involving technology in teaching. Now, when we talk about the activities, remember that the activities we call by didactic activities here means that the teacher do not directly explain. That means that the teacher do not encourage students to have critical thinking. Okay. Now let's go on. Okay. For that, any questions? Sampai sana ada pertanyaan? Okay. So do you know the items or the characteristic of minimally, yeah. Minimally. Okay. When you want to design a lesson plan, yeah, you should cover this one. Yeah. Sometimes maybe there will be some item be left, but if you make such kind of a list, so okay, let's check it. Whether in my lesson design ada school name, ada subject, ada grade, ada teacher's name. Boleh memang nggak ada teacher's name, it's okay. Tapi it's better for you when you set your name there. Then the objective of study, of course, yeah. And then pre-teaching, reading, activating background knowledge, motivating here tell to the students what is the benefit by learning that topic. For the example, when the topic is application letter, so you should give motivation to your students. Okay, when you can write an application letter, so when you apply job, you can write in English. When you apply in international company, so you can write in English. That's right, means by giving motivation to your Okay. Ginungit, can you design teaching module? Teaching module itu yang tadi, starting for lesson plan, then following material and the life is assessment. Minimally, you should find 1 and 2. This is designing lesson plan and material. Yeah, in a week. Last assignment for you. Now, reflection. Please write in Spada in discussion forum. Yeah. I answering this question. In Spada in discussion forum today. Ini ada student reflection ya.
Yes.
In student reflection you just upload by answering. Yeah, you just upload by answering these questions. What have you learned this meeting? This meeting, what have you learned? Can you answer this question? What meeting, what have you learned? Can you answer this question? Yeah, of course. Nah, is there any difficult you have?
No.
Yeah. If you say yes, so what will you do to solve your difficulty? Kalau bilang no, berarti satu hari selesai bikin desain material ya. Because you said that you have no questions. So what will you do to solve your difficulties? Please tell it in your reflection. You can upload it in Spada for forum discussion. And I will close it at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Today, do not forget next week, please. Yeah, please finish for part of your project. This is for lesson plan, designing lesson plan and the material. Yeah, even though you have not completed with worksheet, it's no problem. But minimally you have to finish for that part. And for the second one, please bring one laptop minimally in one group in order you can finish your assignment or your discussion in this class soon. Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you for joining me today, and please close our meeting today by saying Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.